It was the 4th day of our Florida trip. Today we woke up at 6:30, got ready, and headed to breakfast. We ate pancakes and bacon. It was delicious.
Kelly's group went on a boat trip. I was in Kelly's group and we went to the coral reefs. It was really cool getting to see all the fish and coral. Some of the people in my group even saw stingrays.
Andrew's group, which I was in, waited to Horseshoe Island for our morning class. The water was pretty nice. We did a ton of cool things there. We even played a few games. One game was called Barracuda. It was a weird version of tag. We were in the ocean so you could hear a lot of splashing. We learned lots of things about mangroves. Did you know that the black mangrove excretes salt in the back of their leaves? We even got to lick the back of the leaves. They were really salty. Turner even stole a branch off of the tree when he was told not to.
Like the other tree.
We found this on the ground. Did not get picked off a tree. Tastes really good.
It tastes like salt because
it's an afternoon snack before lunch.
The trees release salt because they live in salt water.
Yeah.
Man, bro.
They also provide a really tasty snack.
Some people waded out into the ocean and brought back some stuff to look at. We saw brittle star sponges and periwinkles. Andrew let the periwinkle, which is a sea snail, crawl on our hands. It was really slimy. Lunch that day was our last meal at sea camp. We had chicken patties and tater tots. As Turner says, it was fire. We also said our final goodbyes to all of our counselors and gave them hats.
On the bus ride to Key West, we played lots of games in the back. One of them was Never Have I Ever. We also just hung out and talked about good old life. The bus ride took about a total of an hour. We were all super excited to get to Key West.
The bike ride was one of my favorite parts of the trip. I loved just getting to see everything in the city. We got to see the ocean, six-toed cats, and chickens. We also got to see the Ernest Hemingway house, and it was super cool. That is where the six-toed cats lived. We also biked to Mallory Square, which is where the Sunset Festival is held. Did you know that a small house in bad shape in Key West costs over $300,000? We also got to see the little White House where Truman went for vacation.
On the bike tour, we would have got our photo taken in front of the southernmost point, but the line was too long, so a shot from the side will have to do. When we were done with our bike tour, we ate key lime pie. It was delicious. Then we waited in the store for everybody to catch up. I bought a little bit of candy there. Then we left to go shopping.
What do you think, Jack? Yeah, Connor?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
We went in a ton of t-shirt shops. My favorite place was probably Ron John's surf shop. They even had boosted boards there. We then headed over to good old CVS. Dylan got a turtle tattoo on his forearm.
Dinner was our first meal out of camp, and it was nice to have some food that was a little nicer. There were Caesar salad, cheeseburgers, chicken cheesesteak, and some other options.
At the Sunset Festival, we heard and saw lots of music. Dylan even helped a street performer by playing the drums. There were many street shows going on. I even got conch fritters. Surprisingly, they smelled and tasted pretty good. Then it was time for the main attraction, the sunset. Everybody got real close to the edge of the plaza to watch the sun go down over the ocean. It was beautiful.
While at the Sunset Festival, there was a street performer. His name was Mason. He was really weird. He didn't even perform that much. All he did was ask for donations and tell dirty jokes. They weren't even that funny. He did do one cool thing, though. That was escaping from a straitjacket. He then asked for more donations. And then he told us that if the kids in the green hats didn't give him money, he would send Jehovah's Witnesses to our houses.
After the festival, we went and stayed at the Hilton Garden Inn. It was really nice to have some air conditioning, comfy beds, and warm showers that actually worked. We also had really fun chicken fights in the pool. Turner and Jack apparently dominated. Then we went to sleep.
Thank you, parents, for letting us have this opportunity of a lifetime. Thank you, Miss Jackson, Miss Newhouse, and Mr. Hall, and the chaperones for taking us on the trip and putting up with us.
Thank you.